Hello. Wait, demolition's all done and the guys from Edmonton are here. The playground guys are they're fixing up. They're going pretty fast. They got it all up. And me and my stepson Tristan Delaney, we formed out. We're gonna pour concrete here, and 2 picnic tables are gonna go here. We gotta put the rebar in there, and it's coming along. The playground's going up, and this is where we're at right now.
Playground. Pouring the concrete slabs. There's a nice tool for slab for picnic tables for the principal, Kim Brown, and she got us a new playground. Good job. Oh, it's probably too much oil. It's a fresh start. You gotta burn the oil off. It sits downwards, that's why it burns like that. Oil in the piston will burn off. Gil Gillis. It sits sideways, the oil goes in the...
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
I had it hanging in the garage. You should go line them up over there before you
Okay. There it is. Nice. Got concrete this morning. Our guy came out. What's your name?
Garrett.
Garrett, your last name?
Oh,
Long?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Yeah, Garrett Long's here.
Gilles Larocque.
Oh, Jill Larocque. Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, I'm ready. Well, if you call during the day, I'm at 13.
oh yeah, yeah. That's why you've been not answering. No service out there, eh? Oh yeah.
Sometimes it rings when you can't pick it up.
Yeah.
Kind of like here.
Oh yeah. I noticed that from before when you guys were going out there. Yeah. Mixing the concrete. Get it this right. Gonna hold this board here for expansion. We're getting concrete pad done. How to do concrete pads.
Big pad, 3 guys, 3 by 3 pad.
Yeah. Yeah. We're good, hopeful. Is that it? No. We'll have enough. Oh yeah, there's enough.
You can let go.
That's good? Okay.
Still.
Yeah.
And at the Catholic Church in High Level,
Yeah.
we did the driveway there.
Yeah. That's how you do the edges, eh?
Yeah.
Fixing the edges.
What do you do the first time around? You go with this header
Yeah.
and you push the rocks down.
Oh yeah.
Then you go after, you kind of erase your cracks.
Yeah.
And then when you come back next round, as it saddles from the bottom going up, the rocks will be set out of the way for your finish.
Yeah. You want that roundage, eh? Around the edge.
Yeah.
Yipper.
And because this is an exterior pad and we're in the north and it's cold,
Yeah.
you cannot use steel on it. You gotta use brass.
Yeah.
This is brass.
Yeah.
And this is magnesium.
Oh yeah.
We got oxygen in the cement.
Yeah.
And then if you use steel, it removes the oxygen, and then your concrete will peel from the top.
Oh shit, yeah, yeah.
You see sometimes the cement peels
Yeah.
at the top there? That's
Yeah.
what it is.
Oh shit. I didn't know that.
Or if it's too hot, you'll do that too.
Yeah. That concludes our movie, how to pour a concrete pad for your picnic tables. Thanks for watching. If you like, please subscribe. And this is what I've been doing so far with my time. Thank you. Concrete slab is done. A little bit of work left here. Gotta put the sand in. This one here, the ramp is done. Looks good. Kids were playing, looks like. The concrete is done, yeah. Looks good.